Hey, it's Zisto here bringing you another fresh taste of that lifestyle. And today it is Youth Day right here. And we are at Saso's house. It's a kind of party, but it's actually Saso's actual house. Somebody called Saso has a house, and it's Saso's house. Well, I don't know what the origin of the whole lifestyle party is, but we're going to be talking to him. He's going to tell us a bit more about what happened for him to come up with this innovative idea. But don't worry, hashtag Deep Access, hashtag Deeply Rooted DBN. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's go.
Just chilling during the day, having a good time, positive energy, positive vibes, good food, good music, good people.
Alrighty, and I said that it's growing in popularity, and your crowd is very selective. What's up with that RSVP? Otherwise, you don't come in rule.
You gotta keep it like exclusive. People like exclusivity, so like we also just to control the crowd and make sure everyone is comfortable and everyone is having a good time. We do a RSVP. We send out a link, and then you have to RSVP. And then if you're lucky enough, you get picked to come through. If you're not,
you get picked though?
Yeah, man, because we can only take a certain amount of people. Because if we didn't do that, we would have like over 2,000-3,000 people here. So if you miss this one, you sure to catch the next one. So everyone gets a chance to experience the Saso's house. That's why we do it that way. We need it to be exclusive.
Alright, I got you. Okay, so I bumped into admin. Those who know. It is Tom. So cool. How are you, baby?
Good and yourself?
I'm fantastic. What do you think about Saso's Party Festival?
This party's off the hook. We're having great fun, nice people. Everyone's looking very nice.
Hey, okay, so I'm working the party, I'm working the crowd, and I bump into this beautiful lady. So I thought, let me have a chat with her. How are you, babe? How are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Fantastic. What's your name?
Matapelo.
How are you finding Saso's Party so far?
It's amazing. I think this is one of the best vibes we have in Durban. We need more of it. I'm thoroughly enjoying myself.
Right, yeah, man, that's from me. Who's this? Right here at Saso's house. It's been a vibe, it's been a party. We talk to fathers, we talk to the youth. And shout out to the youth of 1976, man, who made everything possible. Now again, don't forget to subscribe to Deeply Rooted DBN. Don't forget to hashtag Deep Access. Click on the notifications. So this is a one up like in lifestyle because we bring it to you fresh every single week, honey. From Zisto, signing out.